Van here from Apex Magazine, and we have partnered up with the epic folks at bet.co.za to bring you the sound of Formula E. I think it's time we hit our first Formula E sounders, and it looks like here's folks that's very keen. Morning, James. Can I ask you, you guys obviously are pretty stoked for the Formula E. Do you think you can make your best sound impression of a Formula E car?
Oh my word. Are you going to try, mate?
That is brilliant. Thanks for being a sport. Morning, guys.
Hello.
It looks like you guys can make the sound of a Formula E car.
I can drink one. I got it.
Can you drink? Come on, you've got it. that was very accurate. Yeah. Morning, guys. I'm gonna try and help you with directions if you can give me your best Formula E car sound. That is a very good one. How's it, man? We're doing the sound of Formula E with bet.co.za. So you literally just can give us your best Formula E car sound. You can win $100 betting voucher at bet.co.za and a cool cap.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna give it. Go.
It's electric.
Kind of good.
I'll try my best.
This is a total winner over here. Thank you very much. Let me grab your cap there. Okay. That's epic. You're going to give us a little. That is brilliant. You guys have been sports. Thank you very much. I hope that is the gate. And with the betting vouchers, you can literally spend it on any sports at bet.co.za. At the back is directions of how you can use it. And yeah, literally any. If you want to bet on football, rugby, cricket, whatever your flavour is. Enjoy, ladies. You too. Cheers, eh? Will you guys be keen to give it a bash to give you your best Formula E sound? Come on, you guys look like you can pipe it out.
What sound do you want?
Look, we've had a few cat sounds. I mean, meow. We had a few of those. So Sky Electric's mixture between that and Formula One, I guess.
Jy gesê met die ander span.
Listen, kom jy kan brand in die son vandag as jy nie hoed aan het. This is fun effort.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody's gonna give me a sound. Everybody will win something. I'll be biased, yeah, maar ek gaan jou nie eens interview nie. Dis net 'n klank wat jy maak. Jy gaan net sê,
We're gonna do it together.
these are three cars filling into the pits, neck on neck. Okay, guys.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Listen, you guys deserve it. And you can use your betting voucher on absolutely any sport that you want.
Thank you.
So if you guys want to bet on rugby, cricket, golf, whatever's going is going. And on the back is some instructions on how to use it and enjoy the race. You're going to thank me later. You're going to thank these ladies later because you would have burned. Cheers, guys. Does somebody want to win a cap for this guy? All you have to do is make a sound of a Formula E car. And you can pop it out. That color is quite nice on you. You just have to go. You make it sound. Go for it.
Help!
That works. Here's a cap for you. Guys, have a good one. Cheers, man.
Let me try.
He's good, eh? I'm gonna take. Let me grab you a cap. Well done. You can bet on absolutely any sport at bet.co.za. Instructions is on the back. I'm gonna quickly grab you one of these. And you can flip it inside out as well. There's some lucky colour in there. Guys, thanks for being a sport. Have a lucky one. Cheers, man. Bye, guys. Do you think you can nail a Formula E sound? Of the car. Formula E, like that, you can win $100 voucher for bet.co.za and a full bucket cap if you've got kids. Just the sound. That's all you need to do. Come on. Who's going to give it? Is he going to do it? That's a goodie. Let's give it. This guy wants to do it. Just the sound.
You'll tell me when to start, eh?
You can go for it anytime. Listen, how much what's it? Yes, your voucher. $100 you can go bet at bet.co.za on any sport, and you've got a bucket cap for your kids. No way. Come. You need some ladies power. The guys are all keen, but the girls are like all lump. Your best Formula E car sound. That's exactly what it sounds like. I think you're definitely going to win a cool cap and a voucher. Ladies, why are you running away? No, you need to make the sound of Formula E. Can you imitate a car sound of a Formula E car? I think you can do it. It's like a mixture between a very fancy vacuum cleaner and a Formula One car. Similar to that, you need a little bit more bass though. There we go with it. Cheers, ladies.